Avocados and eggs appear in millions of breakfasts around the world. One is a creamy fruit rich in healthy fats. The other is a compact source of protein and essential nutrients. The question people often ask is simple: which one supports heart health, brain function, and daily energy more effectively? The interesting truth is that science does not place these foods in competition. It studies how each one contributes differently to human health. Simple science: nutrients fuel cells and brain signals. Avocados are known for their monounsaturated fats. According to the Mayo Clinic, these fats may help support healthy cholesterol balance when they replace saturated fats in the diet. Avocados also contain potassium and fiber. Potassium contributes to normal blood pressure regulation, while fiber supports digestion and steady blood sugar levels. Research published in the Journal of the American Heart Association shows that diets including avocados may support cardiovascular health when part of a balanced eating pattern. Eggs offer a different nutritional profile. They provide high-quality protein containing all essential amino acids. Protein supports muscle maintenance and helps maintain energy throughout the day. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient involved in brain cell communication and memory processes. A review in the journal Nutrients explains that choline plays an important role in producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and muscle control. When it comes to energy, both foods contribute in different ways. Eggs support stable energy through protein and healthy fats. Avocados provide fats and fiber that slow digestion and may help reduce sudden hunger later in the day. Portion size also matters. A typical serving is 1 egg or half an avocado. Both provide valuable nutrients without excessive calories when eaten in reasonable amounts. Results vary for each person. Some people avoid eggs because of cholesterol concerns. However, many modern studies, including research discussed by the National Institutes of Health, suggest that moderate egg consumption can fit into a heart-healthy diet for most individuals. Dietary cholesterol often affects blood cholesterol less than previously believed for many healthy adults. Avocados, on the other hand, contain more calories because of their fat content. While those fats are considered heart-friendly, very large portions may increase total calorie intake. Moderation keeps nutrition balanced. A practical approach is combining both foods in the same meal. Whole grain toast with sliced avocado and a boiled egg provides fiber, healthy fats, protein, and several essential vitamins. This combination often leads to stronger satiety and more stable energy levels. Tracking how you feel after breakfast can also be helpful. Notice hunger levels, focus, and energy throughout the morning. Small adjustments in protein, fiber, or portion size often improve daily energy patterns. Consult a doctor before major diet changes. In the end, the debate between avocados and eggs misses the bigger picture. Each food offers different nutrients that support heart function, brain health, and sustained energy. The real advantage appears when they are used together as part of a balanced diet. Smart meals create steady health. Like the video if you enjoy science-based tips. Eat well and keep learning every day.